Tai Chi is the secret weapon I use to melt away stress, and I can't wait to show you how it works. Tai Chi has been around for centuries, originating in ancient China as a form of martial arts. But over time, it evolved into a practice that's more focused on mental and physical well-being. Today, millions of people around the world use Tai Chi as a way to relieve stress and find inner peace. So, what can you expect to learn in this video? Well, we're going to dive into the world of Tai Chi and explore how it can be a powerful tool in managing stress. We'll talk to people who've incorporated Tai Chi into their daily routines, and you'll get to see firsthand the impact it's had on their lives. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what Tai Chi is, how it works, and maybe even be inspired to give it a try yourself. Incorporating Tai Chi into your daily routine can be challenging, I'll be the first to admit it. It takes commitment, patience, and practice. But trust me, it's worth it. I've seen people transform their lives with Tai Chi, and I'm excited for you to experience it for yourself. The benefits of Tai Chi are undeniable. It's a low-impact exercise that can help improve flexibility, balance, and strength. It's also a great way to quiet the mind and reduce stress. But it's not just about the physical benefits, Tai Chi is also a mental and emotional journey. So, are you ready to take the first step and join me on this journey? Let's explore the world of Tai Chi together and see how it can help you melt away stress and find a sense of calm. Let's take a look at some of the participants who've been practicing Tai Chi for a while now. They've been kind enough to share their experiences with us, and I think you'll find their stories inspiring. I love watching people's reactions when they first start practicing Tai Chi. They're always a bit skeptical at first, but once they get into the flow, they start to relax and let go of their tension. One of the things I love about Tai Chi is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be athletic or flexible, it's a practice that can be adapted to suit your needs. As you can see, these participants are from all walks of life, and they've all found Tai Chi to be a valuable tool in managing stress. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up and being present in the moment. I've been doing Tai Chi for years, and I still get that feeling of calm wash over me whenever I practice. It's like a mini vacation from the stresses of everyday life. You might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Don't worry, we'll get to that later. For now, let's just focus on the benefits and the experience. I've seen people struggle to get into the rhythm of Tai Chi at first, but once they find their flow, it's like they've discovered a hidden treasure. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to learn Tai Chi is finding the time and motivation to practice regularly. It's hard to prioritize self-care when life gets busy. I think one of the reasons people struggle to incorporate Tai Chi into their daily routine is that they're too hard on themselves. They expect to be perfect from day one, and when they're not, they give up. But the truth is, Tai Chi is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up, being present, and letting go of your ego. Let's talk about some of the initial difficulties people face when they first started practicing Tai Chi. One of the biggest obstacles is getting past the feeling of looking silly or awkward. Another challenge people face is finding a quiet and peaceful space to practice. Let's be real, life can be chaotic, and it's hard to find time for yourself. But despite these challenges, people kept showing up, and that's what matters. They were committed to finding a way to manage their stress and find inner peace. Now, let's fast forward to a pivotal moment in our participants' journey, the moment when they felt a significant shift in their stress levels after a particularly focused session of Tai Chi. For some, it was a moment of sudden clarity. They realized that they didn't have to let stress control their lives. For others, it was a feeling of deep relaxation. They finally felt like they could breathe again. This is what I love about Tai Chi. It's not just about the physical movements, it's about the mental and emotional shift that happens when you commit to the practice. As you can see, these participants have all had a profound experience with Tai Chi. They've learned to manage their stress, and they've discovered a sense of calm and inner peace that they never thought possible. So, what's the overall impact of the challenge on our participants? It's been amazing to see how Tai Chi has transformed their lives. They're more confident, more relaxed, and more at peace with themselves. Tai Chi has given them a sense of empowerment. They know that they have the tools to manage their stress and find calm in the midst of chaos. One of the things I'm most proud of is seeing how Tai Chi has brought people together. It's created a sense of community and connection that's hard to find in today's world. I think the most powerful thing about Tai Chi is that it's not just about the individual, it's about the ripple effect it has on the people around us. So, what's next? I encourage you to share your own experiences with Tai Chi in the comments below. Have you tried it before? What did you think? If not, I encourage you to give it a try and see how it can transform your life.